হ্যালো ভিউয়ার্স, ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক টু মাই চ্যানেল। আপনারা দেখছেন সাইবার ইউটিউব চ্যানেল, সাথে আছি আপনার হোস্ট রাহমান। আজকে আমরা ফার্মার্স মার্কেট ইন্স্যুরেন্স নিয়ে কথা বলবো। ফার্মার্স মার্কেটের জন্য কী ধরনের ইন্স্যুরেন্স প্রযোজ্য, টার্মস অ্যান্ড কন্ডিশন এ নিয়ে ডিটেলে আজকে আমরা আর ভিডিওতে আলোচনা করব। আশা করি ভিডিওতে আপনারা সবাই খুব উপকৃত হবেন। তো ভিডিওটি শুরু করার আগে চ্যানেলে যারা নতুন আছেন অবশ্যই চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করে পাশে থাকা বেল আইকনটি ক্লিক করে দিতে পারেন পরবর্তী ভিডিও নোটিফিকেশন পাওয়ার জন্য। আমরা আজকে যে এটাতে আছে এটা থিম্বল.com, একটি ওয়েবসাইট। তারা ফার্মার্স মার্কেট ইন্স্যুরেন্স তারা প্রোভাইড করে। তো আমরা ব্লগটি শুরু করছি। Starting a farmers market is a great way to support local business while building a stronger community. Local can get fresh fruits and vegetables, try new novelty dishes, and see what the local crafter have to offer. And a little music may be a kids activity, and you have a weekly event that people look forward to. But with all the activity, accidents can and happen. Farmers market insurance can protect the organizer from the financial consequence of claims. There are ample way for claims to arise. The Thimble Farmers Market Insurance is there to cover the organizer from accident. What is farmers market insurance? The farmers market insurance is a type of event insurance covering liability claim that can occur from organizing. The event claim may include slip and fall accident that cause bodily injury, damage to the rented premises such as vendor painting his boat with permanent paint, damage to other people's property. Think about the various types of risk that happen at a farmer's market. Vendors may spill water as they water plant or clean both areas. The weather may create simply conditions. Someone could trip over a crowd or sign and decorated who could fall on a guest. When a claim arises, farmers market insurance arranged by Thimble will provide the legal defense and investigation of claim, even if they are unfounded, as well as payment for damage. Remember that as your farmers market grows, so does your example to claim. So, what does farmers market insurance cover? Your farmers market offer a variety of product and craft goods, and you can expect more than one type of coverage from your farmers market insurance policy. The coverage include these types of situation: non-employee bodily injury. If a customer tips on your tent pole and falls, they can become injured. You could be liable for the bodily injury, but your insurance can defend you. Third party property damage. A sign of the farmer's market falls onto the tent of a vendor. The accident caused their potted plant to fall to the ground, breaking several $100 worth of merchandise. So the liquor liability. Suppose one of your farmers market vendor sells alcohol and overserves a guest with sample of cider and beer. If the sustain an injury as a result, you could be held liable. Just because you are the event organizer, make sure that your vendor may additional liquor liability insurance, and that you are an accident injured on their policy. Defense and investigations of claims. Anyone can make the claims even if is not valid. If you don't have the resource to defend yourself, you could be left paying for the claim. Even if you are not responsible for the damage, the coverage offered you the legal defense and investigative service to protect you, even from fraudulent claim. So, how much farmers market insurance cost? The cost of your farmers market insurance will depend on several factors. This includes where the event is held, how many attendees there are, and how long the market lasts. Each will determine your premium. Here is the range of the Thimble farmers market insurance cost without additional liquor liability. So there is এখানে কিছু কিন্তু category দেয়া আছে small 1 to 15 149 to $159 premium range, medium range 228 to $243, and 370 and 442 large premium. Who needs farmer markets insurance? Individuals who organize and plan farmers market need the coverage. The coverage must extend from the time the vendor began to set up both to when everything is covered and people break down their spots. It does not matter whether the market conditioner is a non-profit or community organization, or the or the coordinator is for profit entitled. Vendor participating in a farmer market will need to get general liability insurance to cover their both and participation in the event. This should include product liability coverage, which can protect them if someone gets sick with sometime because it was left out too long and become spoiled. If the vendor are selling goods such as candles, apparels, or jewelry, they may need additional coverage for their craft. So you should ask your vendors for a certificate of liability insurance showing that their policy has a minimum of 1 million in liability coverage for the event. You should also required to be named as the additional insured on the vendor's policy. If you have employees working at your event, most states require you to have workers' compensation coverage, general liability insurance coverage, non-employee bodily injury, but not injuries to your employees covered under worker compensation laws. Additionally, if you are sponsoring the farmer market but not necessarily opening a booth, you may want to get coverage if you have any responsibilities in setup, breakdown, or operation. As a sponsor, you can be dragged into a claim if someone feels your sponsorship led to an injury or property loss. If the vendor responsible for the loss does not have insurance, in another scenario, the injury party may not know who responsible is or how to contact them any therefore make the claim against you the sponsor. So kick off your farmers market with insurance. Farmer markets help communities remain sustainable, and farmers market insurance help organizers remain financially sustainable against claim. The Thimble's Farmers Market Insurance protect you against claim of bodily injury and property damage from third party. Pay for damage that your vendor or can cause. The hostly faculty can cover you from 1 day to 5 days. So farmers market insurance. What if I only need 1 day insurance? What the term? এখানে আরো কিছু প্রশ্ন আছে আপনারা কিন্তু চাইলে এখান থেকে এগুলো দেখে নিতে পারেন।